Imagine this, you've just bought your dream home. Everything looks perfect until a month later, a pipe bursts behind that wall, flooding your living room. You call a plumber and they drop the bad news. Your home has polybutylene piping. And guess what? Your homeowner's insurance won't cover the damage. This isn't a rare nightmare. It happens to thousands of home buyers. If you're looking to buy a home, you need to know about polybutylene piping before you sign that contract. Let's break it down. Polybutylene piping, often called polypipe, was a popular plumbing material used in homes between late 1970s and mid 1990s. It was marketed as the future of plumbing. Cheap, easy to install, and resistant to freezing. But here's the problem. It fails, and it fails a lot. And when it does, it can lead to costly water damage. If you're buying a home, knowing how to spot this polybutylene piping can save you from an expensive mistake. So how did this plumbing disaster happen? Back in the day, polybutylene was everywhere, used in millions of homes across the US. Builders and plumbers loved it because it was way cheaper than copper and easy to work with. But as homes age, homeowners started seeing major plumbing failures. It turns out that the chemicals commonly found in municipal water supplies, like chlorine, caused the pipes to degrade from the inside out. That means homeowners had no clue there was a problem until boom, a major leak or even a total plumbing system failure. In fact, polybutylene pipes became such a problem that a massive class action lawsuit was filed in the 1990s, forcing manufacturers to pay over $1 billion to affected homeowners. So what does this mean for you as a home buyer? If the home you're looking at has polybutylene pipes, you could be walking into a ticking time bomb. Most insurance companies won't cover damage for these pipes, and some won't even insure the home at all. And replacement, that can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 depending on the size of the home. Even worse, some sellers don't even know that they have polybutylene pipes. So if you're not paying attention, you could be inheriting a problem without realizing it. Now let's talk about how to protect yourself. How to identify polybutylene pipes. Check the color. Usually gray, blue, or black. Gray is the most common color used for the pipes. Size, typically a 1/2 inch to 1 inch in diameter. Location, often found near water heaters, under sinks, in basements, or in crawl spaces. Stamping, look for PB 2110 stamped on the edge of the pipe. What should you do if your home inspector finds polybutylene pipes? Talk to your agent. Don't panic. This isn't necessarily a deal breaker, but you need to plan ahead. Negotiate repairs or price reductions. Some sellers will agree to replace the pipes or drop the price to help cover the costs. Check insurance options. If you must buy the home, make sure you can get insurance before committing. Polybutylene piping may be out of sight, but it shouldn't be out of mind. If you're in the market for a home, make sure you or your inspector check for these pipes. Catching this early can save you thousands in repairs, help you negotiate a better deal, or even steer you away from a home that's more trouble than it's worth. Being an informed buyer gives you the power to make the right decisions, because the last thing you want is a plumbing nightmare in your new home. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever dealt with plumbing issues in a home you just recently bought or lived in? Drop your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, check out my other videos on home inspections and hidden home problems every buyer should know. Hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss a tip that could save you thousands. See you on the next video.